Step inside one of the most beautifully furnished 4-bedroom villas in Damac Hills. Stay with us till the end because this home is pure elegance and we'll also take you through two of Dubai's most exciting new projects. Welcome back to the channel. Today here we are exploring this 4-bedroom villa in Damac Hills built on a 3,800 square feet plot with a 4,600 square feet built up area. Every inch of this home is carefully designed, spacious living areas, luxury interiors and a finish that makes it truly stand out. Unlike some villas here that overlook the golf course, this one sits in a quieter part of the community, perfect for families who want both comfort and privacy. And while these villas are completely sold out directly from Damac, there are still resale options available in both Damac Hills and Damac Hills 2. For international buyers, here's something important. With a real estate investment of 2 million dirham or more, you become eligible for the UAE Golden Visa, which means long-term residency along with your investment. Now let's move from this luxury villa to Damac Riverside, a community built around the theme of nature and wellness. At Riverside, prices start from 993,000 dirham, that's about 2.38 crore Indian rupees or 270,000 US dollars for a 1-bedroom apartment. 2-bedroom units begin at 1.9 million dirham, approximately 4.55 crore Indian rupees or 517,000 US dollars. Villas start from 2.3 million dirham, that's roughly 5.52 crore Indian rupees or 627,000 US dollars. Riverside is unique because the community is split into two lifestyle zones. The Green Vein brings hydroponic farms, zen gardens and family parks, whereas the Water Vein is all about leisure, the floating cinemas, aquatic fitness, essential oil lakes and even floating restaurants. Add in its location near Expo City and the Al Maktoum International Airport, and Riverside offers both convenience and innovation. From wellness and water, we now move to the waterfront lifestyle of Chelsea Residences in Dubai Maritime City. This is the world's first Chelsea branded residences combining luxury with the global energy of football. We have 1-bedroom apartments starting here from 2.17 million dirham, going up to 2.62 million dirham, that's approximately 5.2 to 6.28 crore Indian rupees or 590,000 to 713,000 US dollars. We have 2-bedroom apartments priced at 3.14 million dirham to 5.49 million dirham, roughly 7.54 to 13.17 crore Indian rupees or 856,000 to 1.49 million US dollars. And we have the 3-bedroom residences that go for 4.94 up to 7.03 million dirham, that's approximately 11.85 crore to 16.85 crore Indian rupees or 1.34 to 1.91 million US dollars. Here the amenities are extraordinary. Imagine a rooftop football pitch, a Chelsea sports bar, immersive simulation rooms and curated experiences with the Chelsea legends. And for wellness, we've got the cryotherapy centers, the aerial yoga, the starlit spas and the infinity pools with breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. The handover is expected in December of 2029 and it is said to become a true landmark in Dubai. So whether it's the tranquil lifestyle of a Damac Hills villa, the wellness-focused living of Riverside, or the branded luxury of Chelsea Residences, Damac is shaping Dubai's future of real estate in style. If you love this beautifully furnished villa we toured today, don't forget to hit the like button. We also have an all-exclusive WhatsApp group that shares Dubai properties. The link to join the group is in the description section. Tell us in the comments which Dubai project you'd like us to cover next. And of course, subscribe to keep watching more luxury homes and investment opportunities across Dubai.